Yeah, this is Vital Rich Concept, improving your life, growing your business. So in this video, I'm going to tell you more about this, our industrial nylon, talk more about it, do more practicals with it so that you can have understanding of it in case you don't have an experience of it before and you're thinking, is it good or is it not good? First of all, I want to tell you that this is the same nylon that multinational companies use to package. Vital Rich Concept invented this method of using it. Small and micro businesses using it to package their product, even though they are not using automated machine. Yeah, I started it and I'm happy that many other people are learning it and are using it. Some are even creating video with it, and I'm so glad about that. Okay, all right, because we are here to give value to humanity. It's okay. So now, first of all, you need to know the length. The length of all our industrial nylon is between 7.5 inches to 8 inches. So the next thing we are going to do now is to see how the nylon roll, is. So I'm going to open it up right now and show you how the roll is. This nylon is very strong, okay? It can seal anything. So this is how the nylon looks like. So I'm just getting you acquainted with the nylon. Peradventure you're not yet acquainted with it, or you don't understand it yet. So it rolls and rolls and rolls. It keeps going, okay? It keeps going. So it just rolls like that. It rolls, If I keep opening it, it will keep on going. It's in a single roll like that, okay? So that is what they use to package all those products you see in shops. And supermarkets and all sorts. So we are going to see the strength now. We're going to test the strength now. So I'm going to try tearing. I'm going to tear this nylon now to see if it can actually tear. I'm applying pressure. Applying pressure, but it won't tear. Rather, it will be stretching. It will be stretching. So I'll do another one. I'm applying pressure now. I'm using pressure, applying pressure, but it will not tear. It will rather be expanding. That's what it will do. It will be stretching. So I'm going to do one more time. I'm applying pressure to it, trying to tear it, but you can't tear it with hand except to use scissors or a sharp object. Now the same process goes on here. I'm applying pressure right now to tear it, but it won't tear. You can use it for your powdered product. You can use it for your home products. Okay, all right, that's it. Now, so this is one evidence for you that is a strong nylon used by big companies, big packaging companies. Is the same nylon they are using. So this nylon, the both sides do not seal. This is the side that seals. This side on top seals. The one below does not seal. Now, how are you going to know? This side folding inside won't seal. So the place that is folding inside is not the place you should seal. You should seal the place that is on top. So when you're printing, you want to brand, you make sure you're branding on the place that will seal. Now, this is the case most often, but in a few occasions, you might have it the other way around. It might be that is the one that is here will be sealing, while this one on top will not seal. But in this particular case, and in many other cases, it is the one on top that is sealing, while the one below does not seal. So I'm going to prove it to you now. So let's seal the one. Let's fold it the other way, anti-clockwise, if I should say. Okay, let us fold it the other way and see if it will seal. Okay, so let's see if it will seal. See, our machine is on. Okay, I seal. It won't seal. It won't seal. So if you got the nylon and you are seeing the wrong side and you said, it's not sealing, it's because you didn't seal the right side. Okay, it will not seal. So I've been able to prove to you that it is not all the sides that seal. So let us seal the right side now and see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to fold it the right way now and seal. Let's see. Wow. Sure, it has sealed. You can see it sealed up. Perfectly sealed. So let me cut this place. Okay, so I fold it the right way now. Then I seal. I seal again. Wow, perfectly sealed. Perfectly sealed. Perfectly sealed. Sealed. Okay. Now, do you know that this sealing machine can stay as long as even 1 minute on this industrial nylon, and it won't harm it. This mini hand sealer seals super hot. I say it works like automated machine, and if you look, you see it's on, so it can last here 1 hour 30 seconds. Sorry, 1 minute 30 seconds. It won't harm the nylon. So that shows you the strength of the nylon. I'm going to use another nylon to prove it to you now, to show you that this nylon is strong. Okay, it didn't harm it, rather it's making it better, making the sealing better and stronger. So give it up for our factory nylon, our industrial nylon. Give it up for it. Give it up for it. This is the nylon you need to seal anything you want to seal. Anything, whole product, powdered product, you use it for it. Okay, all right, then that's that. Now, so I've been able to explain to you, I'm sure I've been able to convince you that this is a nylon you need for your packaging. The perfect nylon for your packaging. Now let's go over to this type of nylon. Now this nylon is good, very, very good. It's good and it's popular and it's common. But you cannot compare the strength of this nylon to this nylon. You can't compare the strength of this nylon to this our industrial nylon. No, you can't. They are incomparable. Though I say this is also good in its own way. There are certain things you can use this to package. Okay, now let's see if it can tear. Okay, let me just, you won't even apply pressure. I didn't even apply any pressure. It has started tearing. You can see. So when you're doing serious packaging, you may not be able to use this. When you're doing serious packaging, you want to export your product, please, I will not advise you to use this. But if you're doing local and internal packaging and supply, it's okay, you might use this. But if you're doing serious packaging, you really want to preserve your item, probably your powder product or your whole product, you go for industrial nylon. Okay, now the next thing we are going to see, let's see whether it can stand the mini hand sealer. The mini hand sealer is on. So let's see whether it can stand it. Okay, so let's seal. Wow, it burns it up. You can see what I'm talking about. It burns it up immediately. It can't stand it. It can't stand it. It has messed the front of my sealer. I have to remove all those nylons now. It has actually messed it up. So you can see the difference. So you can't compare the strength of this nylon to this nylon. And many other nylon, you cannot compare their strength to this. This is the best nylon you need for your packaging. So hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit that plus button to follow us for more details on packaging. Thank you for watching this video. Watch out for my next video where I'm going to give you another tip for packaging. God bless you and keep on winning.